Hi, and welcome to Show's classes. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Let us see our question of the day. And we have the following question. Suppose a government agency has a monopoly in the provision of internet connection. The marginal cost of providing internet connection is half, whereas the inverse demand function is as follows. The official charge per connection is set at 0. Thus, the state provides a subsidy of half per connection. However, the state can only provide budgetary support for the supply of 0.4 units, which it raises through taxes on consumers. Bureaucrats in charge of sanctioning internet connections are in a position to ask for bribes, and consumers are willing to pay them in order to get connections. Bureaucrats cannot, however, increase supply beyond 0.4 units. We need to find the equilibrium bribe rate per connection and social surplus. Let us deal with one question at a time. Therefore, the answer to question number A will be equilibrium bribe rate connection will be 0.6 and the net social surplus will be the consumer consumption. That is, the net social surplus will be the consumer surplus on consumption of 0.4 units plus bribe minus the marginal cost. That equals 0.8. It will be 0.08. Let me just erase this. Okay, let's begin. 0.08 plus 0.6 minus 0.5 into 0.4, which is equals to 0.12. Thus, we get the consumer surplus on consumption as 0.4 units plus bribe minus the marginal cost, which comes to 0.12. Now, let us deal with number B. Now, suppose the government agency is privatized and the market is deregulated. However, due to large fixed cost of entry relative to demand, the privatized company continues to maintain its monopoly. We need to find the new equilibrium price, bribe rate, and social surplus, specifying whether privatization increases or reduces them. Let me erase this so that I can do the second question here only, and you can simultaneously see the answer and the question. It is gonna just take a second. Okay, yeah, here we go. Therefore, B, with privatization, equilibrium quantity, that is E, or let us take this as QE only, that is Q equilibrium is equals to 1 by 4, and equilibrium price, that is price at equilibrium, will be 3 by 4. Social surplus, that is social surplus, monopoly profits, let us denote that by pi, plus consumer surplus is equals to 3 by 32. And now dealing with the last part. Suppose now a technological innovation becomes available to privatize monopoly, which reduces its marginal cost of providing an internet connection to C. C lies between the following, that is, C lies between 0 to half. Find the range of values of C for which privatization increases consumer surplus. I'll clean the screen and do the answer in just a second. For C lying between 0 to 12, monopoly quantity is 1 minus C by 2 and monopoly price is 1 plus C by 2. Now, consumer surplus in case of monopoly as a function of C, that is C consumer surplus in case of monopoly equals as a function of c is 1 minus c whole square by 8. Range of values of c for which privatization increases computer surface satisfy, that is 1 minus c whole square by 8 is greater than 0.08. That gives us 0 c 0.2. That was the end to that exciting question. Please like, subscribe, and call us or WhatsApp us for our full videos. Will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for being a part of our classes.